Okay, so this is the rule for solving quadratic inequality. So let's go. It looks complicated, but it's actually mas madali to kaysa sa pag mag-draw ka ng mga tables. So, paano gamitin to? You will know in a while. Okay, so balikan natin yung problem number 5. So, di ba ang first step is ilisdan ang inequality by an equality. So, that's the boundary equation, right? So, x squared minus 2x minus 35 equals 0. So, that's the boundary equation. 0, yeah. Boundary equation, and then, in factored form, ganun. X plus 5, x minus 7 equals 0. Tapos, ang solution dito, x equals negative 5 and x equals 7. So, ito yung magiging basehan ng solution ng quadratic inequality. So, pag after mo ma-solve yung critical points, yung negative 5 at 7, bumalik ka ulit sa ano yung inequality symbol. Dito is less than or equal to. So, less than or equal to. Then, look at this table. Ito yung table. Ibig sabihin, solution, ang inequality can be written as this form, di ba? X plus 5 times x minus 7 less than or equal to 0. Ang solution yan ay, so ang solution pala nito ay, again, is negative 5, 7. Negative 5, 7 inclusive, meaning kasali si 5 at saka si 7 sa solution. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng bracket ng closed interval. So, tawag niyan bracket closed interval. So, now, let's go to another problem. Okay, what if strictly less than ang given inequality? So, tingnan ulit ang table. Saan dito ang strictly less? Ito. So, ibig sabihin ng solution nito ay open interval, negative 5, 7. So, ang difference lang nito sa previous closed interval ay hindi kasali si negative 5 at 7 sa solution. So, that's the answer if strictly less than ang given inequality. Now, what if strictly greater than, this is not strictly, this is greater than. What if greater than or equal to ang binigay na inequality? So, tingnan natin sa table ulit. Saan dito greater than or equal to? Dito. Pangalawa, greater than or equal to 0. Ang solution niya ay ganito. So, anong itsura niyan? So, draw ulit ang number line, di ba? Tapos, this is negative 5. This is 7. So, ang solution nito is ito. Diba? Negative infinity to negative 5. This is negative infinity to negative 5. Tapos, 7 to positive infinity. So, yan ang solution niya. The union of those two sets. Now, what if strictly greater than? Okay, what if ganito, strictly greater than? Then, hanapin sa strictly greater than dito. Oh, there you go, ito. Strictly greater than, so, ito naman yung solution niya. Ang difference lang niya sa greater equal to is open interval lahat. So, negative infinity, negative 5, union 7, positive infinity. So, ganun ang paggamit sa table ng solutions pag quadratic inequality. Pag less than or equal to, then it's a closed interval like this. Pag greater or equal to, then itong union na to. Pag strictly less than, ito naman, open interval. Open interval ng mga critical points. Then, pag greater equal, no, pag greater than lang, then ito naman. So, that's how we use the table to solve for quadratic inequality.